Yo guys, we got one of them early guys in today. This is probably going to be one of those love or hate sneakers. You're going to love them or you're literally just going to hate them all the way. But I got you in today's video, give you guys a little quick early peek, little sneak peek at some upcoming heat from Jordan Brand. So stick around, stay tuned. Let's get right into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in once again. As always, man, y'all been going crazy the last couple weeks, man. I do truly appreciate it. So you guys can keep rocking out with your boy, keep spamming them likes up, keep spamming them comments. And it's crazy because we've been getting more comments than likes on some of the recent videos, which is crazy, but we can keep that up. But if you guys are watching in your living room, got me on the big screen TV, do your boy solid, use our remote, hit that like button. It does truly help a lot, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and it pushes out to some other sneakerheads out there. We're going into 2025 where there are a bunch of heaters, a bunch of OGs, a bunch of just nostalgic sneakers coming out, and I want to be able to help everybody out next year in terms of shock drops, in terms of restocks, to give you guys some early looks at the upcoming heat we will begin, because you already know, bro, we are touching everything early in 2025. So that's something you know interested in, make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell, and make sure, like I said, run them likes up so we can keep bringing you guys this early content, man. All right, like I said, man, I did pick these up from the lovely Goat app. These actually been in my crib for a while now. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm like, when do I actually show this early pair? I got them for a very good price, and that's all due to the fact that we have been getting so much heat to come out. And I feel like the main priority for this month of December is the Legend Blue 11s. They're right there behind me. You guys already know I gotta double up on them. That's definitely a double up. I do have a size 10 currently, so if you want a size 10, you want them, you know, about 2 weeks before the drop, hit me up. I got you guys for retail. I mean, nobody took the offer, nobody tried me yet, but if you guys want a size 10, be super dope to give you guys an early pair. But again, man, shouts out to the lovely Goat app. You guys can see by the box. You already know. You probably know what they are. But let's go ahead and get this brown tissue paper out the way and check out the box, bro. Check out the box. They've been super consistent with some other colorways we have gotten in the silhouettes. Let's go ahead and get into the box right quick. Let's see what we got inside, man. As you guys can see, super different when it comes to the Air Jordan 5s we have been getting all year and last year. The olives. What other 5s we got? Oh, I can't even think right now. And even the burgundy Air Jordan 5. So with these right here, they're staying consistent with the boxed overall theme that matches the sneaker. But the official colorway reads, man, Air Jordan 5 retro white, black, and sail. We got these guys in the size 9.5. So y'all probably like, yo, he got his size. So that means he really wanted to snag them. And yes, bro, these are definitely a keep for the collection. See some pictures. I seen some early looks myself. I said, hold on. These joints is low-key tough. It's been a lot of sneakers that we have gotten in the past that the colorway is really nice, but people don't, you know, bat eye to it. They, look past it because it ain't going for a lot of money. It's not a lot of buzz around the sneaker. That's why I always tell you guys, man, buy what you like. It don't matter if she's going for under retail, $400-$500. If you want it, go out there and get it, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. You guys already know, comes with the Goat tag, little card right here, authenticity or assurance of authenticity. You got the little QR code in the back. But let's go ahead and check them out, bro. Let's check them out real quick, flip them open, and yes, sir. Here we go, man. Yes, sir. Go ahead and check them out, man. The Air Jordan 5 reverse metallic, guys, man. So I'm going to go ahead and pull both of them out of the box. And as you guys heard by the colorway name, this is the reverse metallics. You guys know next year we will be getting the black metallics 2 retro in a reimagined spinoff. But this year, they want to give us a little twist, a little bit something different, you know what I'm saying, with this reverse metallic vibe to it. You guys already know, man, the quality on the 5s has not been nothing too crazy. And I'm not going to lie, this pair right here got a massive crease on the toe box. That usually indicates that it's either some good leather quality or some bad, or that, you know what I'm saying, that cheap filling material. But I don't get any of that with this one right here. I know once you do rock your sneaker, you break a mid, of course you can get that crease in your 5s. But at the end of the day, bro, this is all white sneaker. Is not bad at all. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So here goes the metallic joints I released back in 2016 or 2017, if I'm not mistaken. And again, we will be getting the reimagined black metallics release with the like silver piping going around the lining of the sneaker. I think that was a really, really good touch, and I think that they automatically come with the white laces. You guys see these are unlaced. They have not been worn in literally forever. Gotta find the laces for them. But again, you got the black metallics and you have the reverse metallics right here, and I do really like the outsole. So they came with this like milky-ish outsole to it. Not too sure on how this is a reverse to the black metallics. I'm not too sure, but I know you guys can help me down below in the comment section. And you do get some 3M on the tongue right here. Check that out. And they already come with the little cardboard to protect the tongue. So let's go ahead and flip these out real quick, just so you guys can, you know, check out the tongue. Put one to the side real quick. But check it out, man. 3M tongue with your black Jumpman right here, as you guys can see. And for the pacifier and the lace lock, you do get that same kind of creamy white, off-white sail pacifier lock right here. Kind of matches the outsole on these guys. I didn't even mention you do get this black huge Jumpman on the outsole. This is definitely something you got to use some Crep Protect or some type of repellent, because it is an all over white sneaker. And again, it's not the tumblest of leather, but it's not like that super stiff leather we got with the True Blue Air Jordan 3. So it's like I said, it's one of them shoes, you're either gonna love them or you're gonna hate them, but I definitely think you can get a lot of wears out of these, you know what I'm saying? I don't think they as bad as people are going to label them as, but again, bro, we already know how it goes. If a shoe goes for under retail, people automatically say they trash. If it's not a Travis Scott sneaker, they trash. If it's not a J Balvin, it's trash. You guys know what the trend is, but again, that's where you gotta set yourself apart in terms of what you like, what you rock. And yeah, man, if it's going for under retail, it is what it is, man. This is not a bad colorway at all. And I can guarantee you guys this right now. If they say this was like a player exclusive or something like that, it'll be a lot more talk when it comes to these Air Jordan 5. I didn't even mention the nice metallic shark teeth you got with these guys right here with the speckle vibes. It matches perfectly with the tongue that they threw on these reverse metallic Air Jordan 5. And you do have your translucent occasion on the side. You guys already know it comes with that like see-through mesh behind that Cajun, and they might definitely end up turning yellow just like the metallics that dropped back in 2017. And if you guys do have the 2017 or 2016 metallic 5s, please send me a picture on Instagram. I want to see if my pair just looks like this because they've been sitting in a drop front, or it's just like the natural oxidation when it comes to Air Jordan 5s. This is the worst that I've seen. And I do have a couple other 5s that's older than these, but it looks nothing like these black metallics. So help me out, send me a picture over on Instagram. These will be releasing December the 7th. Like I said, 1 week from today. I know this is gonna be one of them outlet specials, but the people that do love Air Jordan 5s, like people don't want a nice, reliable Air Jordan 5 colorway, with these being all white with a splash of black, I think a lot of people probably will end up securing these, but hey, right now, GOAT, bro, they're going for like under $180, bro. So, hey, it is what it is. Take them or leave them. Not trying to make you like the sneaker. Just give you guys an early look at some upcoming J's we will be getting from Jordan Brand. So one last quick little 360 at the upcoming Air Jordan 5 reverse metallics. I'm be sure to hit you guys with some B-roll over these sneakers, but again, a couple of things to note. I don't know if this leather quality is going to hold up that well. It's already a creasing right here, and I'm pretty sure this is 100% DS. I don't think nobody ever tried this on. Came with a little cardboard, little tongue cover right here, and they're still laced up DS. So I think this is how some of these, you know, sneakers have been coming from the factories, because one of my Air Jordan 3 Black Cements came with this same type of creasing and the right shoe. I don't know what that's about, but again, you know, all white, can't beat it. No extra laces came with these, but the sail kind of like, I don't know if this is all white or like a sail off white for the laces, but it matches perfectly with the, you know, the pacifier lace lock and with the outsole on these Air Jordan 5s. No Nike Air on the back, of course, 9OG colorway, but again, just a, you know, solid, reliable Air Jordan 5. I know a lot of people are definitely going to sleep on, but let me know how you feel about them down below in the comment section. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Quick little early look for you guys. More early looks are on the way, best believe that. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, I'm telling y'all. And please comment down below. Let me know if you think they inspired, if they trash. Let me know something in the comment section. I'm here to see how y'all feeling about these sneakers, man. I need to sit here and talk to myself, but I'm talking to you guys. I need y'all input. Let me see what y'all feeling in terms of sneakers we will be getting in the near future. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. All the men say, your boy The Vintage. I'm going to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.